Assalamu alaikum students. Yesterday we have discussed about the factors and multiples. Also we have discussed the prime factors and we have revised how we can find the prime factors of certain numbers. Today what we are going to do, we are going to discuss how we can find the square root and the cube root of certain number, and also we will discuss the lowest common multiple and the highest common factors. Taking an example, finding the square root of. Let us take an example, 324. We are going to find the square root of 324 using prime factorization method. What does prime factorization method means? We are going to divide this number by try to divide it by only prime numbers. We are not going to use any other number than the prime numbers. 324, we will use the table of 2. 2 is the first prime number. Let us discuss what prime numbers are. Prime numbers are those numbers which comes in their own table or the table of 1, and they don't come in any other table other than themselves or 1. So few prime numbers are, the first prime number is 2, and then the second prime number is 3. 4 comes in the table of 2, then the third one is 5. 6 comes in the table of 2. 7 is a prime number. 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number, it is divisible by 3. 10 is not a prime number. All the even numbers are not prime numbers. All the even numbers other than 2 are not prime numbers because they are divisible by 2. All the numbers like 5, 10, 15, 20, they comes in the table of 5, so they are not prime numbers. So we will try the next prime number is 11, and then 13. 15 comes in the table of 2, it is divisible by 2, so 15 is not a prime number. After 15 there is 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, 21 is divisible by 3 or 7, so 21 is not a prime number. Next is 23, and so on and so on. Here we are using the table of 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. We will borrow here 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. Next we will divide it again with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now 81 is divisible by 3, so 3 2s are 6, 2 here, 2 7s are 21. Next 27 comes in the table of 3, 3 9s are 27, next 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we can write under the root 324 as under the root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make the pairs. Pair 2 2s are 4, this 3 3s are, and this is 3 into 3. After making the pairs, what we will do, we are going to write it like this, is equal to under the root. We will write one term from the pair. This is 2 under the root. This is 4 into 9 into 9. So we can write it as under the root 4 into 9 into 9. Or you can write it as 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. This will be a better way to write it. You can write the pairs like this under the root, and you know that square is cancelled by the root, so we get 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So under the root 324 is equal to 18. That is the answer. Under the root 324. It means square root of 324 is equal to 18. Next, we can find the cube root of certain number. We can take another example, 216. We can take this example. We will find the cube root of. Okay, we know that we can divide it with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. We have to write 0 over here because 1 does not comes in the table of 2. 1 is not divisible by 2, so we will write 0 here, and 2 8s are this 16. Next, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So in cube root, what you are going to do, under the root, cube root of 216, you are finding the cube root of 216. So the cube root of 216 is equal to, under the root, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which can be written as 2 cube root. 2 cube multiplied by 3 cube. You know that cube root is cancelled by the cube, so it is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 2 3s are 6. So cube root of 216 is equal to 6. That is the answer. Okay, now let's discuss LCM. What is LCM? LCM is the lowest common multiple. Taking an example, finding the LCM of 18 and 30. Let us take an example. We are finding the LCM of 18 and 30. What you are going to do, you can take LCM separately, and you can take like this. 2 9s are 18, 2 15 are 30. Next, you are going to use table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now this 3 and 5 doesn't come in the same table, so we will leave it over here. Now finding the LCM, what you are going to do is LCM is equal to lowest common multiples. So this is 2 and 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We are going to multiply the common factors, and we are going to multiply the uncommon factors. So lowest common multiple is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. Now finding the HCF of the same, finding the highest common factor, LCM and HCF. We are discussing LCM and HCF. To find the LCM, we are going to multiply the common factors and the uncommon factors. But for HCF, we are just only going to multiply only the common factors, that are 2 and 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is the highest common factor of 18 and 30. Taking another example, 15, 60 and 75. There are three numbers, 15, 60, 75. And we are going to take the common number. We all three numbers comes in the table of 5. 5 threes are 15, 5 12 are 60, 5 15s are 75. We can use the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So these two are the common factors. The common factors are 5 and 3. The highest common factor will be 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. And for lowest common multiple, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the common factors and all the uncommon factors. So 5 fives are 25 into 4, 100 into 3 is equal to 300. Or 5 threes are 15, 15 fours are 60, and 60 multiplied by 5 is equal to 300. So this is the LCM of 15, 60 and 75. Hope you have understood all, how to find the LCM and HCF, how to find cube roots and square roots. So what you are going to do, you can attempt a question. Question number 2 from exercise 1A. You did it. From exercise 1B, what you can do? You can do question 1 and 2 from exercise 1B. Homework is exercise 1B, question number 1 and 2. Thank you very much, class.